Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover lost items with Liberty Mutual detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the process of recovering lost items through Liberty Mutual, visit their official website. Locate the claims section on the home page. Click on File a Claim to proceed. Choose the category that best fits your lost item scenario. If you are unsure, select Personal Property for lost items. Fill out the online claim form with your personal information. Provide a detailed description of the lost item, including its value. Upload any relevant documentation that supports your claim. This may include receipts, photos, or police reports. After submitting your claim, you will receive a confirmation email. Keep an eye on your email for updates from Liberty Mutual. A claims adjuster may reach out to you for further information. Be ready to answer questions about the circumstances of the loss. Once the investigation is complete, you will receive a decision on your claim. If approved, Liberty Mutual will provide instructions on how to receive compensation. In case of denied claims, review the specific reasons for denial. If necessary, you can appeal the decision by providing additional evidence. Consider contacting Liberty Mutual's customer service for assistance throughout this process. Make sure to follow up if you have not received updates within a reasonable time frame. By staying organized and having all necessary documentation ready, you can streamline your claim experience. Patience is crucial as processing times may vary depending on the complexity of the situation. Overall, using Liberty Mutual's resources efficiently will enhance your chances of recovering your lost items. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.